This is one of my favorite fruits, durian. It is amazing. If you've never tried it, oh my gosh, it's so, so delicious. I was introduced to this fruit by my sister-in-law and her family. Um, they're Asian and from Hong Kong originally, and I guess this is the most expensive fruit in the world, on the planet right now. It's really cool. I had it like this big, massive, spiky plant, like so massive. It's kind of like a massive jackfruit and spiky. They served it to us fresh, and oh, I loved it. Love, love, love. There's like places in Asia you can't be allowed to take this like on public transportation because it's kind of stinky, and some people don't like it. I already cut this open with a scissors. So I got this box at the Asian market in Grand Rapids, and I've also ordered durian from Miami Fruit Company. So I know it doesn't look beautiful, but it gets like to be like a custard, like so, so delicious. Probably this is like a little more frozen. I might, oh, see, it's starting to get a little bit, it's creamy. It's hard to describe the actual, the taste of it. It is so unique. So anyway, there is some durian, and I hope you don't like just go by the looks, but try it. See if you like it. And this was about $15 at the Asian market in Grand Rapids. So that did not break the bank. When I ordered it from Miami Fruit, it was like $100 for maybe 2 boxes or something. It was a lot, but well worth it when you can get it. And so I'm gonna eat for dinner. I'm so excited.